In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Mbank ATM. If you want to withdraw money from Mbank ATM, then you will need to follow some steps. These are the general steps you need to follow. First, insert your ATM card into the card reader. There is usually a green slot with a blinking light and an arrow pointing where you have to insert the card. Then insert the card rightly where the chip on the front side of the card is inserted. Inside the magnetic stripe is facing downwards. These contain the encrypted details about the card user. The card reader reads these details and sends them to the server. Then in some ATMs, you have to insert the card and once the card detailer reads the screen display your account details. You can take out your card. However, in some ATMs, you have to keep the card inserted until the transaction is done. Once the details are out on the display screen, you will be provided with several options as an instruction manual, which you must perform one by one in order to perform a certain transaction. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.